What up, world? It's homeboy Mag again. So basically, we got a whole nother one. Another one. Okay. So let's just get to it. Big ass box with probably nothing but air in it. Got the cutter. We got another eBay Jordan pickup. I know you like guns. You going in, man. What is the secret? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, sir. Not yet, guys. But I actually had a situation happen on my eBay where it's supposed to be two that came in today. There's only one because I had to take it back to the store because they put the wrong shipping label on my package. So I got somebody else's crap. It wasn't even wasn't even a pair of shoes. And here's the thing, fam. We got a whole box in a box, and this is how you do it. Remember my last video that I did? And the dude did not. He sent the box with tape all over it and all this other stuff. I can't really do nothing. I can't respect nobody that does that. Okay? But I can respect whoever did this. You did this the right way. You put a box in a box. Okay? And you put paper in there, even though you didn't need the paper. But hey, it is what it is. So what we got here, let's read the outside of the package. We got the Jordan Flight 23. Okay? So, Jordan Flight 23 up in here. Nothing special about them. You checking them out. Okay, let's do the re-glue. It's got like a little small area. It's not much. It's not much. We can deal with it the way it is. I will be trying to icy white these. Okay, so we're going back over the shoe again. A little small area where it just needs to be re-glued back down, and I'll show it to you. It's not bad. It's like I'm making a big deal out of it, but it's not bad at all. Like just right now, a little. But just looking at the shoe, the Jordan got a little issue on him, but I got a paint pen coming in, and we're gonna fix some things on him and get him back right. It ain't no big deal. We got like a little area right there, but it's nothing bad. Boy, Joey. But it's like I said, it ain't bad. It ain't. Like I said, they used. I got them for cheap. But overall, it's not a bad shoe. We got another. The J right there need to be the jump man. I mean, he need to be touched back up. But what I normally do is just take the laces out, clean them up a little bit. And it's gonna be a pretty damn good shoe. You know what I'm saying? You're probably wondering when you gonna show us the whole collection. Well, you're getting most of it right here. So here's the other shoe. Like little scuffs like this, just white scuffs, you can get that out. A lot of people don't know you can get it out. They're not very confident in their cleaning. See, and some people like to do this stupid ass shit where they tie a knot in the shoe lace. Sometimes they tie it tightly. Sometimes you can get it out. Sometimes you can't. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna spend much more time on this. See, I just pulled it out. It's nothing. It's nothing big. They're gonna get clean. The first rule of thumb: clean your shoe, man. And like I told y'all, you know, this must have been a white guy's. I can't tell. No, I think it is. But which I don't discriminate when it comes to buying my shoes and who I buy my shoes from. If I like the shoe, I like the shoe. If you don't like this shoe, that's cool with me. I mean, I'm not you, you not me. Okay. So, we're just checking out. It's got stuff up under there. We'll get all that out. That's no big deal. Okay, let's look at the glue around the seams. Everything on this one. No, we good. We good. Okay, right up in there. See, and it's good to know where your stuff is gonna come loose at, or where it's done came loose at. So that way, when you clean the shoe, you don't think that you're doing it yourself. Okay, it's good to know where that stuff is, and you try to go lightly around those areas. And the same thing on this shoe. It's just something to be aware of, that you have these issues, and yeah, I don't see nothing wrong with the shoe. I mean, yeah, they'll clean up good. And like I say, will these come out? Okay, and look, the soles come out. So this does not look like this was the original sole, but then again, it's not. So the original sole is down off in there. Okay, so I got an extra padding thing, and this is still kind of stuck in the shoe, but it will come out. Yeah, it'll come out. Boom, it'll come out, and that's cool. I got an extra padding, and what I can do is now go in there and clean all this stuff out the shoe and get it back the way I want it. It's your homie Mag 357 Guns. Appreciate y'all for watching this unboxing. One.